Five must-have sections in your resume for 2023. Are you ready to take your resume to the next level and stand out from the competition in 2023? In this article, we will discuss the 5 essential sections that you must include in your resume to make a lasting impression on potential employers. By following these guidelines, you will increase your chances of landing your dream job. Let's dive in. 1. Contact information. The first section of your resume is the contact information. Make sure to include your full name, phone number, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile URL. Providing accurate and up-to-date contact details helps recruiters and hiring managers easily reach out to you for potential job opportunities. 2. Professional summary. To capture the attention of recruiters, it's crucial to include a compelling professional summary. This section should consist of 2 to 3 concise sentences that highlight your relevant skills, experience, and career goals. Use power words and action verbs to convey your strengths and accomplishments effectively. Remember, a well-crafted professional summary can make a strong first impression and encourage employers to read further. 3. Skills and qualifications. In the rapidly evolving job market of 2023, showcasing your skills and qualifications is essential. Create a dedicated section to list your relevant technical, soft, and transferable skills. Be specific and highlight skills that align with the job description. This section provides employers with a quick snapshot of your abilities and demonstrates your suitability for the role. 4. Work experience. Your work experience section is where you detail your previous employment history. Begin with the most recent job and include the company name, job title, employment dates, and a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements. Use action verbs to describe your accomplishments and quantify results whenever possible. This section allows employers to gauge your professional background and assess your potential as a candidate. 5. Education and certifications. The Education and Certification section showcases your academic qualifications and any relevant certifications you have obtained. Include the names of institutions, degrees earned, and graduation dates. If you have certifications that are directly related to the job you're applying for, highlight them prominently. This section demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and development. Conclusions. By incorporating these 5 must-have sections into your resume for 2023, you will present a comprehensive and impressive document to potential employers. Remember to tailor your resume to each job application, emphasizing the most relevant skills and experiences. With a well-structured and keyword-rich resume, you can increase your chances of landing your dream job. Good luck with your job search in 2023.